Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Game Wrap. So let's dive into the world of gaming together. So the first news is regarding Last of Us 2, and certainly Last of Us 2 is teasing all the PC gamers all over the world, and it is continuing to do so. Now a new listing has come on Amazon France in which Last of Us 2 Windows version is there. Yes, the Last of Us 2 PC version is listed on Amazon France. But quickly after this news started to spread all over, Sony has said that they are not going to make any PC version of Last of Us 2, and the listing on Amazon France is just not true about the PC version of this game. But certainly so many rumors are going around for a PC version of Last of Us 2, but it is really on the Sony, who are the makers of Last of Us 2 franchise, to think about a PC version of the game. But what personally I think, if certainly there are so many rumors going around there, without fire there is no rumor, so hopefully a PC version of Last of Us 2 we all can see as soon as possible. Now moving on to the next news regarding Crysis Remastered or Crysis 4. Now many of the PC gamers are in the view that they would be requiring a powerful system to run this game. Now to tell them that this game would be requiring a minimum of 20 GB hard drive space and an 8 GB of RAM, Nvidia GeForce GTX 660 Ti. Now you tell me, is this a powerful requirement? No, you can certainly play this game in a minimum requirement as well. So there is no need to panic regarding you will be requiring a powerful system to run this game. And yes, the production company has announced that this remaster will contain high quality texture and improved art and also an HD texture pack, but still this game can be played very well in lower systems. So there is no need to panic whether you will be able to play this game or not. Now moving on to next news regarding Resident Evil 3 Remake, which is creating history worldwide. Now another mode of this game is out. Certainly this is the age and time for so many modes for this game which is coming. Now you can replace all the enemies with dinosaurs. Yes, you heard it correct. You can replace all those evil monsters with dinosaurs. Now one advantage of changing all the monsters into dinosaurs is that they would be stuck in a room, they won't be able to get out, as well they won't be able to get it into small doors. So that would be one of the advantages which many of the gamers could see. Dinosaur is huge in size and they could not enter a small space area. So would you be able to play this game with the dinosaur mode? Comment below. Now moving on to the next news regarding FIFA 20, the English Premier League has collaborated with FIFA 20 for an e-Premier League Invitational Tournament, which will be broadcasted on Sky Sport, Facebook and YouTube, and it will consist about 20 Premier League teams. And this would be a knockout tournament with 19 matches, and players like Raheem Sterling, Trent Alexander, big faces are going to play this tournament, and this is going to be a fundraiser tournament. Now certainly FIFA 20 for a good cause. It's good to see EA doing something for charity. It's good to see EA being part of some charity, doing some charity work, helping out people all over the world. Now moving on to the next news regarding Facebook. Now Facebook has launched a mobile app for their gaming only live stream. Now as you guys know, YouTube also had a mobile gaming app for their live streaming from mobile, but currently they have removed it. But currently Facebook has launched this gaming app and has seen a market for gamers who are looking to stream games from their mobile app. Now from this Facebook gaming app you can stream to your Facebook channel. And the objective of this Facebook gaming app is to give you a gaming only experience where you can watch your favorite streamers, play instant game and take part in gaming groups. But certainly there are some drawbacks also. People using iPhones are facing a lot of issues with this Facebook gaming app. But certainly some patch fixes will follow and will fix all the drawbacks and challenges which this game, which is just launched, is having. So with that we have come to an end of Game Wrap. So hopefully you're liking this series, a one-stop destination for all your gaming information all over the world. Rumors, news, leaks, everything will be on this show. So continue showing your support, and thank you once again for all your 5,000 subscribers. You have been a great support. Our next target is 6,000 subscribers. So hopefully we'll achieve the target as soon as possible. So keep showering your love, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you on the video. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.